So on today's adventure I'm traveling well fast and almost light because I want to test out something. I want to test out Express Menu Beef Goulash, also known as beef goulash. But before I will start eating my goulash, I need to first find place suitable for camp. So this looks like a decent spot. It's not perfect, but it is also not bad either. And I am not staying here for the night, I'm just here for a day, quick chill in the forest. And yeah, I already saw a few deers down there in the forest, so let's set up here and maybe more will come. So, as you saw, my belt and my haversack is just enough to give you enough gear volume to have option to set up shelter and something to sleep on. Go away, spider. Basically, the only thing that I didn't bring is some sort of sleeping bag. Other than that, you can fit in haversack everything that you need for one person and one day or night out. But anyway, today we will talk about Express Menu. What makes Express Menu stand out? Basically, this expiration date here, I don't know if you can see it, but this thing can lay on the shelf for next 10 years. 10 years. That's a lot of time. Basically, all the ready-to-eat meals that I previously had, like freeze-dried or some sort of canned meals, they all have like expiration dates around 2-3 years. I think that once I had some sort of track and eat freeze-dried food that was around 4 years, but bottom line up front, this basically beats everything else. 10 years of expiration date. Basically, that's why you should consider buying a few of these and just keeping them at home, because we live in uncertain times, so they might become useful for you, but also they don't require to be stored in freezer, so this is just another plus for them. And yeah, really fast to prepare. You need either 5 minutes basically directly in the pot. You can make them in microwave, or you can just take them, without opening and just put them in boiling water for 10 minutes and they will be done. So really fast to make and simple, which is very important for me because I really can't cook. So the prices of Express Menu meals is also amazing because when compared to freeze-dried meals, you can get 2 or even 3 different dishes from Express Menu in price of 1 freeze-dried meal. So even when you look at the amount of energy in them, it's not really the most impressive, but still when you compare the price to the amount of energy that you can get, this wins the race. The only thing that this can compete with is some sort of canned meals, because they also contain similar amount of energy and similar price range. So 10 years of expiration date. How do they do it? They have their own patented technology, continuous thermal process. Sounds a bit like magic, but considering that it is made in Europe by Czech company, I guess we can trust them. And basically I can't wait to try it out because Czech food is excellent. So I'm not gonna lie, when I stopped moving for a moment, it starts to get cold. So the best way to battle the cold is to make something hot to eat. So let's not waste time and light, because we are getting less and less with every hour. And let's start cooking. Yeah, I'm using here standard Optimus gas. It's 14 degrees Celsius, and I'm using the Optimus Vega cooker, which is absolutely amazing for low temperatures. But yeah, I think... Oh, okay. It's hot. We already have a boiling, so let's just drop in and wait. I don't remember, 10 minutes, about 10 minutes will be okay, I guess. Just let's just, okay. Let's slow down it a bit. And yeah, let's wait. So when I was walking around my camp, I noticed this tree, which is clearly damaged by wild boars. If you look closely, you can even see the hair that they left when they were scratching on this tree. So I found this pretty cool and I decided to share it with you. So this is done. Now let's clean the pot And by clean I mean get rid of this water and just rinse it with the fresh water. And this will be enough, or it has to be enough. Okay, so let's go. So there is a lot of sauce in here. Okay, so this part is done. Now let's turn on the cooker again. Yep. Okay. And now we need 5 minutes. As you can see, it's a bit of on an angle, so I need to watch it carefully to not lose my dinner. My spork is ready. Now let's open it. Here. So, some of you might be wondering, and you must wonder for a moment, because I see that I need to stir a bit my food. Oh my god, this is delicious. So some of you might be wondering, because here you can see that this is 2 servings, but from my experience, if someone is saying that this is 2 servings, it is 1 serving for someone who is 105 kilograms and almost 2 meters tall. So this plus some of this should be enough for me. I can feel that I am burning some of my goulash on the bottom, but I don't know if I can go even lower with the flame. Like I said, this cooker is very powerful for the winter, and when it's above freezing, it can be a disadvantage if you want to cook something else, if you want to cook instead of boil water. The most delicate part, transferring the meat. Hold on a second, I think this way it will be safer. Okay. So, yeah, sauce is cool, but I would also mainly prefer to get all the meat. And maybe not spill it on my mat. So the burning on the bottom is not so bad. Okay, I can get some more. And I think that this is all the meat. The rest of it is just sauce. So let's leave it here. This is so good. Oh my god. So now the whole point of the food is that it needs to taste good. So let's check it out. It is definitely very warm, for sure. And it tastes very good. Okay, I think this is enough. The rest of it I will eat on my own. Okay. I must say, all is gone, sadly, because it was really good. The flavor, the taste, it was on the top level. The meat was really soft. So yeah, when it comes to the Express Menu Beef Goulash, I won't try to pronounce the Czech version. It is very, very good. So yeah, definitely try it out if you are in the market for some sort of emergency food with a long expiration date. Now I think that I'm gonna just lie down for a few minutes or an hour, and later I will pack up my amazing camp and we'll go forward to the unknown. See you later. So the food was amazing. Camp is packed, so there is nothing left just to keep moving somewhere in that direction till we have light. So guys, this is first time I'm trying this different type of format. So I need you to go to the comments and let me know, do you like it or not? And also remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Bye.